Introducing yourself to someone new.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Sarah. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Alex.
Are you new here? Are you new here?
Yeah, I just started last week. Yeah, I just started last week.
How are you finding it so far? How are you finding it so far?
It's been good, just a little overwhelming. It's been good, just a little overwhelming.
If you need anything, feel free to ask me. If you need anything, feel free to ask me.
Thanks, I appreciate that. Thanks, I appreciate that. Finding something in common.
Hey, I couldn't help but notice your book. Are you a fan of thrillers? Hey, I couldn't help but notice your book. Are you a fan of thrillers?
Yeah, I love them. Do you read them too? Yeah, I love them. Do you read them too?
Absolutely. Who's your favorite author? Absolutely. Who's your favorite author?
I really like Agatha Christie. Her plots are so clever. I really like Agatha Christie. Her plots are so clever.
I really enjoy her books too. Have you read her latest? I really enjoy her books too. Have you read her latest?
Not yet, but it's on my list. Not yet, but it's on my list.
Maybe we can talk about it when you finish. Maybe we can talk about it when you finish.
That sounds great. That sounds great. Inviting someone to do something together.
Hi, are you doing anything after work today? Hi, are you doing anything after work today?
Not really. Why? Not really. Why?
I was thinking of grabbing a coffee. Want to join? I was thinking of grabbing a coffee. Want to join?
Sure, that sounds nice. Sure, that sounds nice.
Great, there's a cafe just around the corner. Great, there's a cafe just around the corner.
Perfect. What time? Perfect. What time?
How about 5:30? How about 5:30?
Works for me. See you then. Works for me. See you then. Exchanging contact information.
It was really nice talking to you today. It was really nice talking to you today.
Yeah, same here. Yeah, same here.
We should keep in touch. Do you use WhatsApp? We should keep in touch. Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, I do. What's your number? Yes, I do. What's your number?
It's E176554321. It's E176554321.
Got it. Here's mine. 0157 8888 2345. Got it. Here's mine. 0157 8888 2345.
Thanks. I'll send you a message later. Thanks. I'll send you a message later.
Sounds good. Talk soon. Sounds good. Talk soon. Which sentence is polite and correct? A. What's your name? B. What is your name? C. How your name is? D. You name what? Which sentence uses the present continuous correctly? A. I am meeting new friends today. B. I'm meeting new friends today. C. I met new friends today. D. I am meet new friends today. Which modal verb expresses a friendly suggestion? A. You must join me for coffee. B. You should join me for coffee. C. You can't join me for coffee. D. You might not join me for coffee. Which question is grammatically correct? A. Do you have WhatsApp? B. Have you WhatsApp? C. Do you has WhatsApp? D. Does you have WhatsApp?